Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel, Toiletterian. I bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think you should at least do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Today I have an unboxing of a very new fragrance from House of JOOP or JOOP. Many of you would know that I'm a big fan of JOOP brand. They make very good fragrances for very affordable prices, and this one is the latest, just came out a few weeks ago. Not many people know about this. I was surprised myself. I didn't see any advertisement, any release, nothing. It just came out of the blue. Okay, one of the YouTubers, sorry brother, I forgot your channel's name. Anyway, I will leave in the description below link to his channel. He brought it to my attention, which I should mention him. Go to his channel, subscribe to him. He's a very nice guy. He's from Britain, and he makes very good videos, and he brings to your attention, again similar to me, fragrances that are very, very good value for money and they smell good. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. So this one is a 2022 release from House of JOOP or JOOP, and this one is called Le Parfum. So not to be mixed with Eau de Parfum, which came last year, 2021. This one came out last year, 2021, and in a way it was a little bit on the strange side, because as we know, the pink juice, the original, this came out in 1989, and this was the original bubblegum fragrance, and everybody else after that started to basically copy these people. And this one is sweet bubblegum, very sweet cinnamon, synthetic smell. It's one of those smells that many people either love or hate. There is no in between. I love it to bits. I've went through many bottles of this. So this is the original one, 1989, and this one, the Eau de Parfum, came out last year, 2021, and I personally love it. I like it very much, but again, this is on the fence. Many people like it, many people don't like it, and the reason is because it has got they, in a way, they made it reverse. So this one is quite modern and bubblegum, sweet, and with the flanker 2021 Eau de Parfum, they went back to 80s and even 70s. They made it a little bit on the classic side, masculine, spicy, vetiver, earthiness. So that's why some people, I think, didn't care for it. I personally love it to bits. So when I heard about the newer version, which is the Le Parfum, it came out 2022, I said, wow, I had to get it. Right now you only can buy it in the UK from a website, is Superdrug, which is a pharmaceutical website, but you can buy it from them. I didn't see it anywhere else right now, but obviously in a few months time probably it's going to be widespread. But right now, I leave in the description, I'm not affiliated, just for your convenience, you can go and check them out. If you go to the store right now, they have it on sale, but online it's full price, it's £61. So if you go to Superdrug and you see this, don't forget, don't mix them up with the Eau de Toilette, Eau de Parfum, and this is Le Parfum. So this is the distinction. Anyway, so let's go through with the unboxing. As you can see, the box is identical to this one. It's actually black. So with the The original box was pink, this one was quite dark brownish, and this one is black. Okay, sorry about the noise. Okay, so there is one big distinction in terms of box, which is this star on top. So if you want to make sure, this one doesn't have that one on top. This one, the Le Parfum, this got this star on top. But the rest of it is identical, and as I said, this is a black box. So let's go to the bottle. Okay, so they went back to the original juice color, which is a pink, which is interesting. Yeah. Okay, so the Eau de Toilette one, this one is light pink, and this one is a dark pink, but they're both pink. Yes, they're both pink. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So this is a 125 ml bottle, and is it says on it Le Parfum. I'm not sure if it's a pure perfume or extract or is Eau de Parfum. Let's go with the sprayer. Very good sprayer. As always, JOOP makes good sprayers with their bottles. Wow, it's filling the room. Huge. Ooh, big. Okay, how is the smell? First impression for JOOP Le Parfum 2022 release. Ooh, sweet mother of God. Okay, so it looks like they went back to the original one, but it's got little subtle differences. Let me just put the EDT on this hand. Okay, very similar. Okay, not identical, but quite similar to the original one, the EDT, which is a good news for many people, because many people love the original, and I think they will love the new version, because obviously it's Le Parfum, is thicker, is heavier. Although the EDT is still beast mode, is huge. You don't need more than 1 or 2 sprayers of the EDT. Some people say reformulation made it weaker. I don't see that. I bought this a few months ago. It's a new EDT, basically reformulated version, and it's still huge, still big, still very strong. And the Le Parfum is a little bit subdued, so compared to the EDT, because it's lighter in terms of projection, is bigger. Okay, but very similar to each other. Again, not identical, but the sweetness is there. The only difference is at the moment, in the first impression. So the original EDT is still that bubblegum, sweet, happy, don't care attitude. But the Le Parfum is like, okay, I am sweet, but I care. I'm a bit maturer. I'm a bit more sophisticated. I'm not as youthful as the EDT one. Okay, so it's got, I'm not sure there's a leather in there, but it gives me some feel of leather right now. But again, the sweetness is very sweet. So if we say from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, the original JOOP EDT is about 9. The Eau de Parfum 2021 version is 6. And this one is 9 again. So the sweetness is there, alright? But it's more sophisticated, is subtler, is not as big, is not as huge, it doesn't give you the punch, but the sweetness is there, but it's not as bubblegummy as the original one. The sweetness, it looks like it's a little bit more complicated, I mean, sophisticated. And it's got something in the background gives me a feel of leather. I'm not sure if there's a leather in there, but it's quite woody at the moment as well. But something in there gives it a little bit of feel of leather, okay? I'm not sure if it's a leather, suede, or something in that vein, okay? But I love it. So I'm a big fan of the original one, EDT. I'm a big fan of EDP, which came out last year, the 2021 version. And for first impression, I am loving it for the Le Parfum 2022 edition. Wow. So it looks like they made it a little bit more sophisticated, a little bit maturer, and also less youthful, less say energetic. Okay, so the EDT is so energetic, it's like jumping all over the place, but the Le Parfum is quite you know, this got this sophisticated, maturer, more experienced fragrance, okay, more experienced person basically. So far so good. Wow, I love it to bits. So this is first impression. Obviously I'll give you the in a few days time, I'll give you the update, the performance, the longevity, the change if there's any changes. But so far so good. I love it to bits. I love all of these. But as always, please do your research. If I love something, as you know, we all different skin, different smell, different olfactory basically taste, different environment, different upbringing, and all these things play a big role of what you like and what you don't like. If I praise something, it's not necessarily going to be the same for you. So please always do your research and make sure this is what you like. If you have any question, put it down there. If you know any of this, let other people know in the comment. This will be very useful for others to see your experience. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye.